Hi and welcome. Today we're gonna do a quick sound comparison between the Bose Soundlink Max and the JBL Xtreme 4. So let's just turn them both on. I was looking for a device. So let's just quickly help. It's connected, very nice full sound. And now the Bose. Decent sound as well. I know what you're gonna say, that this gap is a bit annoying. There should be a bit more. Unfortunately, that's all I have in terms of space. I'll put them in the middle of the table, and then we'll let's just see if this is connected. If this is connected as well. Oh, not this one. Where is it? Extreme. Oh, it's called different now. Yeah, it's connected. Both of them are connected. So what we're gonna do, we'll play a free song that I normally play, and I'm gonna go a bit further down with this microphone, just to get the idea how it sounds. So we'll start with the volume off, and let's just make sure that both of them they have the volume. Okay. So the Mafia one, which is the JBL Xtreme 4, and the Earth Shaker, which is the Bose, yeah? So I think both of them are pretty much the same. Let's just it's gonna be hard with this Apple thing. So that's a bit low. Let's just do this. See if we're happy with it. I think now it's pretty much the same. So I'm gonna start with the Bose, and then I'm gonna switch to that, but I'm gonna come and show you. But at the moment I need to find a place to put the microphone. So let's see where I'm gonna place the microphone on a chair in the distance, so it won't interfere with me. Perfect. So it's like 2 meters distance. So let's start. Let's have a listen. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Shh. Let's change with the Mafia, with the JBL Xtreme, okay? On this bass, just to see. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils behind redemption. Honesty is the one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Get faster to our success. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Cross up the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to face reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some life is skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is the one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Okay, guys, here you have it. There you have it. I really like both of them. but I've noticed that it depends where you place them as well. Like this Bose seems to have like I love the highs, mids, and the lows on this. And this one I feel like the lows are nice as well. I think this one does a bit better in terms of like sound separation and opening of the, you know, staging of the sound. Where this one is more like a party boombox. It does well as well, but the opening and the sound is more refined on this one, my opinion. Otherwise, if you don't have any of them, both are amazing. Thanks for watching. Take care.